health, more time for meditation, exercise, and self-care. Better eating habits. Time for a nutritious breakfast. Less stress. A calm start sets a positive tone for the day. Now, you might be thinking, sounds great, but I'm not a morning person. Don't worry. Here are some tips to ease into an early routine. Start gradually. Set your alarm 15 minutes earlier each week. Create a bedtime routine. Wind down with relaxing activities. Prepare the night before. Lay out clothes. Plan your breakfast. Find your motivation. Set exciting goals for your morning time. Remember, consistency is key. Give it time and you'll start reaping the benefits. There you have it. Waking up early isn't just for CEOs and fitness gurus. It's a powerful tool anyone can use to transform their life. Are you ready to join the Early Bird Club? Share your morning routine goals in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Until next time, rise and shine.